Hello Lakeview, if you're thinking about buying or selling a condo in Lakeview, Chicago, stick around for the latest market insights that matter to you. This is your monthly market report for condos in Lakeview of May 2024. Let's dive into the numbers. This month, we've been seeing some fascinating shifts in the market. The median sales price for condos was $390,000, marking an 11% decrease from last month, yet is still 1% higher than compared last year. The average sales price also tell an interesting story, reaching $464,000. That's a slight dip of 4% from April, and it's also 7% increase from the last year, hitting the highest level of May since 2022. On the sales volume, we saw 152 properties sold, slightly down from last month and last year. And if you're curious about how fast properties are moving, homes were on the market for just 15 days on the average, significant faster than ever before. For all the sellers who want to sell, this is a very good sign. Inventory levels have shifted too. We had 163 properties available, up from April, but much lower than last year's figures. A lower inventory usually favors sellers, but the increase in new listings up to 218 this month gives buyers more options. So for all my buyers who are looking to buy in Lakeview, Chicago, you have more options out there. So what does this mean for you? If you're buying, more properties are entering the market. Easy competition slightly, and for sellers, prices remain robust despite the adjustment, making a good time to get a valuation. Whether you're looking to buy or sell or just need some advice on navigating the Lakeview market, give me a call. My number is 773-550-4846. I'm here to help and make your real estate journey as smooth and successful as possible. I'm Hugo with Condo. I'm your real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. See you next week for Townhomes Market Report.